Hey all, this is Martin from howtomakemobilegames.com on June the 26th today, 2015, Friday here in Shanghai, China. This video is a couple of things. It's a general update video about what we've been working on this past week or so, and just a couple of tips and a general update for everyone who's not seen the latest videos because they're on the Pro channel. And the other point that I wanted to talk about in this video is hiring for a developer. So I'll talk about the developer thing first, and I will come back to the other points. So yeah, we're looking to hire a Unity 3D developer based in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Okay, so we're not really looking for anyone else outside of Dhaka in Bangladesh at the moment because we're trying to build our team there. Our marketing guy is over in Dhaka, Bangladesh right now. And so we're also testing some developers right now, but we want to also test some other developers and see what kind of talent is there. So if you're interested, guys, then you can get in touch with me. I'll go through some points. So the salary that we're offering is basically for a more of a postgraduate salary, so $300 per month, that's US dollars, plus a 5% bonus. So you will make 5% bonus on all of the games that you have developed and published for Cobble Play, and that's after the salary payment. So basically all the profit, you will get 5%. You'll make 5% bonus on that. Must be able to build 2D and 3D games for Android and iOS. We're mainly interested in Android, but if you can build games for iOS as well, that's a positive. You will need the devices. Actually, I'm gonna write that down as well. So need devices. Okay, because I'm gonna post these in the description later. So. Okay, so yeah, you'll need the devices, you'll need an Android device to test on, and if you're able to build for iOS as well, you need an iOS device. So perhaps an iPhone 4 or iPod 4 or something newer. And working either from PC or Mac, of course. You need to be able to work from home. We don't actually have an office in Dhaka in Bangladesh right now, but that's the plan this year. But what we want to do is build a team of 3 or 4 people first there who can work from home in a single city, and then later we'll be able to hopefully bring you all together into a single office. So we don't have the office now, so you must be able to work from home and have the devices to build for Android and iOS. So make a big note of that, guys. You must be able to do all the artwork for games. So artwork includes screenshots and icons as well. Doesn't matter if your artwork is amazing or not. It doesn't have to be amazing, really. I'll show you some example in a moment of the types of games that we've done. It could be doodle art. It could be sort of cube retro style art. I've done artwork for games that has generated some fairly good downloads, and I'm not an artist either. But if the style that we can use can be simple, drawn by anyone, for example, like doodle art. Or we could use packages, for example, from the Unity asset store that we can purchase, or perhaps some free available artwork as well. But you must be able to do all the artwork yourself, okay? Also be able to do the game fully from start to finish. So, next point. I'm just going to check on my list here, guys. Okay, the games will need to include ad networks and in-app purchases. So you need to put those SDKs in the game. So for example, Chartboost or AdMob or AppLovin or some other ad network. That's not a difficult thing at all. Most of the big ad networks now have support for Unity and give plugins and very simple directions. It's not usually a big task, but we can offer some support. For example, with in-app purchase testing, I can give some help on that, or perhaps one of our other team members could give some help. So the games, the way that we build games right now, the business model for this developer position is to build the games quick, fun, and within 1 week. So that means you must finish one game every week. The games must have multiple levels as well, so it can't just be one single level. It must be multiple levels that are a little bit different. So I know that sounds like a challenging thing, and it is, depending on the game design. But that's the goal, is to develop one game per week for Android and iOS. And we're going to be publishing those on Google, Amazon, and the Apple App Store. Next point. So, example of game. Yes, so I'll give you the link in the description, but I wanted to share this here anyway. So this is an example of the game if you're on Google Play. So Dumb Stickman 3. This game was done by Ryan, and really great example of a simple 2D game that is fun and easy to do the artwork for. So you can see the sketch artwork here is pretty simple, but looks good. It's a consistent, nice style that people enjoy to look at. The screenshots, I actually did these ones, which was very easy, and I did these in like, I don't know, maybe half an hour or something. This was very easy to put together. So, but this is an example of the size of game. So if you're on Google Play, guys, download Dumb Stickman 3 on iOS or Amazon or Google Play, and you can see an example of the size and the complexity of the games that we're looking for. It also shows the structure of the levels, the level select screen, the game over screen, and what we want somebody to build. Another example would be this one here, Kill the Ragdoll Stickman Boss. This one's a little bit more complicated actually. It's 3D. If you're not able to do a lot of 3D, that's okay. 2D is fine as well. So let me know, specify in your email like what you've done, and also give us links and so on. But this is another example of a game that we've done and the type of quality that we're looking for. So I'll put the links in the description of this video or wherever you might see this video, and you can check it out. Next point. So yeah, if you're sending us an email, please send us a list of game links that you've published, perhaps with your company or perhaps games that you've published yourself. They can be on Google Play or Amazon or Apple. Send some screenshots as well. Generally, when we see screenshots and videos and links, we respond much faster. Don't just send like a, hi, I'm interested in the job. It just gets lost because we often get a lot of emails. So definitely send screenshots in the emails and links to the games that you've done, and it will stick in our mind much more, really. By the way, guys, I'm sorry I'm not replying to the other people that have given us a resume before. I have received them all, and really thank you so much for sending them to us and having interest in joining the company. The reason that I'm not replying directly to all of those previous applications is because we're specifically looking for somebody in Bangladesh right now, in Dhaka. So that's why. But really, thank you so much, guys. For anybody who can apply for this position in Bangladesh, please drop an email to naeem@cobaltplay.com and CC me, okay? So Naeem is the one who is handling the applications right now, so naeem@cobaltplay.com, and CC me, Martin@cobaltplay.com, all right? So Naeem will be following up with you directly, and he's already over there in Bangladesh right now. So, but yeah, looking forward to some applications, guys. So next part, a general update of what we've been doing. Yeah, I might actually do a separate video on this one, guys. So yeah, actually what I'll do is I'll stop this one now and I'll do a separate video so you can probably catch the next one on the channel, and it's a little bit, it keeps it cleaner. So, but anyway, thanks for listening, guys. Looking forward to seeing some resumes and also game examples for developers who are interested in the Unity 3D developer position. And I will speak to you all soon. Bye-bye.